Namaste Tech enthusiasts, Suraj here on the BTNX channel. Feeling overwhelmed by repetitive tasks and overflowing inboxes? ChatGPT, the powerful AI chatbot, can be your secret weapon for automation and streamlined workflow. But what if you could unlock its full potential and tailor it to your exact needs? Welcome to the world of fine tuning. In this B10X guide, we will show you how to fine tune ChatGPT to become your personalized AI assistant, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Before we dive in, a quick reminder B10X offers an exclusive workshop on AI tools. The link is in the description below. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
ChatGPT is impressive right out of the box, but fine tuning takes it to a whole new level. Imagine training ChatGPT to understand your specific workflow, writing style, and communication preferences. This allows ChatGPT to generate text that's not just generic but truly personalized and relevant to your needs. In this tutorial, you will become proficient in fine tuning ChatGPT, but with a unique approach not commonly seen elsewhere. Rather than delving into the technical intricacies of fine tuning ChatGPT, I'll demonstrate how to fine tune ChatGPT within itself through natural conversation. By engaging in dialogue with ChatGPT, you will achieve desired results tailored to your specific requirements. Let's explore some exciting ways you can leverage a fine tuned ChatGPT. Okay, so let's start with the example of email. Okay, so simply type in this prompt. You are an adept email writer and copywriter based in India, skilled at crafting concise and effective messages. When I provide you with an email, you will analyze it, extract key points in one line, and then generate a reply to the mail humor like response email that concise and to the point. Feel free to ask for any specific details needed to craft the email, such as name, bank details, address, etc. Understand? So this is the mail which I just provided to ChatGPT. Okay, you can see how descriptive the mail is, and I have provided the every minute detail which could be used by ChatGPT. So it has generated the response. Absolutely, I understand. Please provide the email you would like me to analyze and respond to. So what I did, I just copy and pasted the mail here from my Gmail. So this mail was about a scholarship which I received from eLitmus a year ago. So okay, so I just pasted the mail, and the mail is too long, so I will not go through it entirely. That's why I just pasted it. And what ChatGPT has responded, it has summarized it in bullet points. So what was the mail about? So it was about 850 rupees scholarship issued for technical issues during the PH test, which I had taken on 23rd of March. Okay, and then the scholarship allows free regular PH test before 19th June 2024. So it has provided me the concise version of the mail in a very understandable manner. Okay, and it has also generated the response to the e-litmus team. So you can see the mail is very concise to the point. Thank you for issuing a scholarship code worth 850 due to the technical issue encountered during my PS test on 19th March 2023. I appreciate your prompt resolution. I have noted the instruction provided. The scholarship code the profile dashboard में मिल जाएगा. Okay, and I will use the code during the registration. Okay, this is very personalized email. You can see it has also mentioned my name over here. Let's see one more example. So there's one more prompt which I have given to the chat gpt, which is regarding to LinkedIn connection request. So here's the prompt which I have given here. You are an amazing copywriter from India, proficient in approaching people on LinkedIn. With a network comprising great individuals, you possess the skill to craft compelling connection requests within LinkedIn's 200 character limit. I'll provide you my LinkedIn profile details for your reference to effectively reach out to the individuals. Your task here will be to compose concise and personable connection requests tailored to each recipient. This is the detailed prompt I have provided, and it has answered absolutely. I would be happy to help you. Please provide me with your LinkedIn profile details and let me know a bit about the individual you would like to connect with. Okay, so what I've done here, I have simply copy pasted the profile of a person from LinkedIn. What you have to do is simply go on LinkedIn, search for a person name, and then copy his profile from top to bottom and then paste it to the chat GPT. So when I have done it, After this, it has generated me a response. Certainly, here a tailored connection request for Adit Vyas. Okay, so what's the request? Let's see. Hi Adit, impressive journey in the IT industry. Your expertise in Java and microservices caught my eye. Let's connect and exchange insights. Looking forward to networking with you. Oh my god, this is damn good. This is within 200 words limit and this will work perfectly for my LinkedIn profile. Copy these prompts, save it for these can all act as your personal chatbot, right? Fine-tuning ChatGPT unlocks a whole new level of automation possibilities. But there's so much more to learn about leveraging AI streamline your workflow. At B10X, we offer an exclusive AI tools workshop designed especially for working professionals like you. In this workshop, you will learn about the latest AI tools, discover practical applications for your field, and gain the skill to confidently integrate AI into your workflow. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Secure your future and become an AI pro. Click the link in the description below to join our exclusive P10X AI Tools workshop today. Fine-tuning ChatGPT is a glimpse into the future of assistants like ChatGPT have the potential to revolutionize how we work, freeing us from tedious tasks and allowing us to focus on high-level strategic thinking and creative endeavors. So, are you ready to become a P10X productivity with the help of AI? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. And most importantly, check out the link in the description below. Together, let's leverage the power of AI to unlock our full potential and achieve P10X results. See you in the next one. Thank you.